I did. I'm not
still
gonna
hit
it. I'll give you $20 cash right now. You go hit my fucking ball.
Give me my...
No, you go hit the ball. I'll give you fucking $20 cash right here.
Yeah, come.
You can't hit the bird. All right. So what do I do?
Just go up there and hit your ball. He's not going to attack you.
Yeah. Okay.
Just kind of hold your club down.
Maybe he plays fetch.
Go get the spike on.
Okay, get the ball.
It's not even working.
Come, just go hit your ball. You're almost there. You're almost there.
Get it. You got the right club.
You're going to want to hit and run anyways. Wow.
That is...
Stop with your baby. It's right there.
Well, it was a bad shot. You shouldn't be over there anyway.
Distract it. I'm trying to. Come here.
You know what's happening?
He's gonna fuck me up. I'm not playing a ball getting bit by a fucking rabbit bird. You guys want to take a cheesy fucking spin that way, that's fine.
Oh, you gotta get that on YouTube, by the way.